How do I sync my AOL mail on my mobile device?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to sync your AOL mail on your mobile device. If you're an AOL mail user and want to access your emails on the go, syncing your account with your mobile device is an essential step. Let's get started.
What will you need?
To successfully sync your AOL mail, you need to have two things. 1. An AOL mail account. If you don't have one, you can sign up on AOL's official website. 2. A smartphone or tablet. This process works on both iOS and Android devices.
How to sync AOL mail on iOS devices?
Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iOS device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Mail. Step 3. Tap on Accounts. Step 4. Tap on Add Account. Step 5. From the list of email providers, select AOL. Step 6. Enter your AOL email address and password and then tap Next. Step 7. Ensure that the Mail toggle is turned on to sync your emails, then tap Save. And that's it. Your AOL mail should now be synced with your iOS device.
How to sync AOL mail on Android devices?
Step 1. Open the email app on your Android device. If you don't have an email app, you can download one from the Google Play Store, like Gmail or Outlook. Step 2. Tap on Add Account or the plus sign. Step 3. From the list of email providers, select AOL. Step 4. Enter your AOL email address and password and then tap Next. Step 5. If apps, allow the app to access your AOL mail, contacts, and calendar. And voila! Your AOL mail is now synced with your Android device. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to sync your AOL mail on your mobile device. Now you can access your AOL mail from anywhere, right from your phone or tablet. If you found this video helpful, be sure to let us know in the comments. Happy emailing!